I think we'll just jump into this, and I think it's important for us to share a little bit about what Align's objectives are to support our customers and to build solutions around. And we break that down into 9 categories that we bring all the requirements up front. So we want to not just have just the print, but we want to have the processing documentation, the condition of supply information, or if there's any modifications that be needed. We want everything up front to be kind of established. And then we build that into what are their real needs. So one of the first things we do is we look at where we have our current supply base inputs, and we do a high-level print review and a material to price analysis. So if the goal is to make a piece of, a stainless steel item that's, 2 feet long, if the goal is $3, it's not going to go through our first pass. It's something we have to go and level set with our customers on to say, hey, your goal is lower than your material. And we have to have a conversation associated to that so that we can all get on the same page that we're really doing a good job of comparing apples to apples to know. So on my end of it, within Align, I have a specialized team that is only associated to build the print needs, and these are machine products. My team consists of people that have a deep knowledge set. Maybe they're focused on the manufacturing engineer. Maybe they've been an estimator. Maybe they are basically very good at the logistics ends of things and the crating and the industry specs that are needed for that. But we try and bring together people that are very focused on what the customer needs and what is the best way to manufacture these items. And we've kind of touched on all of these things up front, but I just kind of want to quickly reiterate. At the end of the day, we're trying to optimize this solution, and we use that through aggregation and partnership with our shops. We look at every aspect from the shop time to the processing costs. We know also how to balance different rates regionally. So in North America, we break it into what the results of working with our partner shops, what the results of looking at a bigger picture environment instead of being focused on a single item. It typically relates into these types of savings. So we typically can save anywhere from 5% all the way up to 25% on the end hard costs. So that's not taking into account the management, it's not taking into account the inventory. These are real projects that we've worked on. And we talked about how we go through the goal phase with our customer. Well, then obviously we have the result phase as well. So on a goal basis, we were working with one of our customers. They build large structures. They are the OEM. And we received a large contract for them to support their manufacturing needs